We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment 1B. The entrance is over down from the main Collegetown Plaza entrance. You can see the living room windows from the outside here. We've got a glass foyer that's a locked entry for this apartment and one neighboring apartment. Use our key tag to buzz in. Let's go on in. So we've gone through the glass locked entry door, and there's 2 apartment doors here. 1C is a 2-bedroom apartment. We're gonna see 1B, which is that 4-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. This is a fantastic apartment. Let's come on in. You can see the kitchen here in front of us. We've got the dining table. There's great cupboard space and counter space here in this apartment. We've got the stove, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator. Let's go around and see the living space. You can see we've got a coffee table, an end table, a couple couches, that high air conditioner over the window. The TV does come with the apartment. Before we go through the rest of the apartment, I do want to show you the coat closet that's here by the entry. That gray door is where we came in, and we have already passed by this great coat closet. It's nice to have the extra storage space. And it does kind of go around the corner. There's a pair of retaining posts in this apartment. You can see the first one here. The other one is in the back bedroom. We're gonna go around through that kitchen and let's take a look at the bedrooms. We've got one more exciting feature to see here in this apartment. Here's the washer and dryer. This is the only apartment here in Collegetown Plaza that's got the washer and dryer in the unit. Everyone else is using that laundry room in the plaza on the 5th floor. Let's take a look at bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 1. You can see this one has a double window. All of the bedrooms will have the same furnishings: a desk and chair, a dresser, and a tall bookshelf. There's a dresser over here. And everybody has a full-size bed. Let's take a look at the closet in this one. You're going to want to follow along on the floor plans to see the closets, especially for this apartment. This one has one of the larger closets in the 4 bedrooms. Let's go to the next bedroom. So we have a nice long hallway here. So it's actually a lot of great space. We're going to go over to the right to the next pair of doors for the next bedrooms. Before we go into bedroom 2, let's take a look really quick. This is a nice storage nook over here with these shelves. This is super handy in the apartment. Okay, so bedroom number 2. Let's come on in here. So we've got a double window, which is great. So this one has good light. All of the bedroom windows face to the west. So we're over the long driveway that's on the west side of Collegetown Plaza. So the windows are not facing the street. And even though we started on the 1st floor, these windows are 4 floors up off of the street level. So we're not on ground level for bedrooms. This one, I do want you to know, does have the smallest of the closets. Okay, so smallest closet in room 2. The bathrooms are across the hall from us. We will peek at those on our way past after the bedrooms. Okay, here's bedroom number 3. Again, all bedrooms facing west. They are not on ground floor. They're on the 4th floor level because of the hill. This one has a single window. So that will be some of the variations in this apartment in particular: the window size, the window width, and the closet size. Okay, here's the next closet. All right, so this is probably the second smallest of the 4 closets. So 2 and 3 are directly across from the bathroom. Another nice feature with the bedrooms here, they all have that window air conditioning unit. So that's nice to have. Bedroom 4 is down at the end of the hallway. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, here's that other retaining post that we talked about. Okay, so this is the biggest bedroom. We've got that nice long nook over here for your bed. A single window. Here's the desk and chair. Okay, let's go around. We're going around the post. Here's the bookshelf. Where's the dresser? I know where it is. It's in the closet. This closet is so big, we can fit the dresser right in it. We've got these shelves over here. This closet is huge, so definitely the biggest closet and the biggest room of the bedrooms in here. So room number 4 towards the back. Let's take a look at the bathrooms. There are 2 bathrooms, 2 full bathrooms. That means they both have a shower. So here's the first one. You can see we've got that standing shower here. Okay, let's go by here. Then we've got the vanity. And we've got a toilet over here. So that's the first of the bathrooms. Let's see the other bathroom past here. This is the larger of the bathrooms. You can see we've got a larger vanity, a lot more floor space in here, and the larger size standing shower. I like these standing showers. Those are a nice feature. Okay, so that is the bathrooms. So that's a look at apartment 1B here at Collegetown Plaza. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a separate entrance off the main part of the building over here on Dryden Road. You do have access to everything in the building. It means the trash room, the fitness room, anything you need in the building, mailboxes, and of course our rental office is just adjacent to the main entrance of the building where you can collect your packages and things like that. So we're here at Collegetown Plaza, apartment 1B, 111 Dryden Road. We're just 1 block from campus.